Assalamualaikum semua, welcome back and selamat datang to my YouTube channel Nurul Shamsul. So today, as you can see, saya dapat banyak-banyak hadiah dari dUCk. So dUCk is a brand from Malaysia and they sell and a lot of things like scarves, makeup and stationery. So bila saya pergi balik Malaysia dalam bulan 8 saya pergi headquarters dUCk and I met with some of the people there and they gave me a lot of gifts and I am so excited because it is a lot and it's very heavy. So saya belum buka lagi, so I'm really excited and interested to see what I received. Okay, so I'm going to open these in the order that I placed it, so from the top to the bottom. And I think the first one, I had a little peek, but I think it's the dUCk Cosmetics. I don't know. So this is what I received. There's a couple of things. So they gave me 5 lipsticks, but I gave one away to my auntie already. So I'm going to do a separate makeup tutorial using these lip creams, and I'm just going to go off and check out the others. The Cookie Collection eyeshadow palette, and when I was getting my makeup done for the Cleo magazine, the makeup artist used this as well, and it's interesting because the makeup artist Pearl, she's actually the sister-in-law of Bibi Yusuf, and as you guys might have known, Bibi Yusuf is the founder or the owner of dUCk and the line. So yeah, I'm really excited because she had put this on me before and I really love the colours too. The other thing that I got was You Glow Girl Face Palette, cleanser and a toner as well, so that's really good. And I also received a Girl Powder translucent or loose setting powder, the first big box that I received. These boxes are super cute. I quite like them. So I'm gonna open it up. And so in this one box I received 4 dUCk tudungs, like that's a lot. I have received 4 dUCk tudungs in this one box already. And so yeah, I got this as well, part of their makeup collection. And I also received a calendar, I think, because it says 52 weeks. Okay, so the first tudung I'm going to open up, I have no idea, there's no labels on it, so I'm just going to open it up and I'm going to be pretty surprised and super excited. When you open up a dUCk box, you also get like a letter or a postcard. On the message it says, "So you've been dUCked. Us city girls always want the best, and as biased as I am, I believe you've made the right choice here. I love to experiment with my dUCks and explore different styles according to my outfit and mood. If you ever run out of ideas, I've enclosed a style card to get you started. Step-by-step tutorials are on my website at theduckgroup.co." Okay, so first I have a shawl, and it's like a wine red colour, like a purpley wine red colour, and this is so me. Where is the dUCk? Okay, so when you buy the dUCk tudungs, of course there's the webbed edges on these scarves. I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of, yeah. And then you also get the dUCk logo as well. Okay, so this is still the same material. I'm not sure what to call it, but it is kind of like a satiny material that you can use. And this is a baby pink color. Oh, it's super cute. It's so adorable. And yeah. Now this one is like a salmon color as well. The same material that I got from before. And you get the same little card from dUCk Group. And then, oh, so this is like a creamy white color. and it's so nice. A lot of people in Malaysia, if they wear a duck tudung, they're called a ducky, and I actually found that out from the makeup artist that did my makeup for Cleo magazine, because I was wearing this tudung and it's actually featured in the Cleo magazine, and she was like, oh, you're a ducky, and I'm just like, does that mean it's because I wear duck tudung? So now I'm gonna open up my second box from Duck, and I'm still really excited. The first one I've received 4 hijabs or shawls, and they're so nice. The colours, I think they all will suit me, inshallah, hopefully. And the quality is really nice. It was like a satiny kind of colour, and now this time I'm really excited to see what else they have for me. So yeah, I'm gonna open this. Well, I've got a couple of journals, and I've also received I think 3 duck tudungs as well. So I'm gonna look at the journals first. So the first journal I got is a stripy black and white stuff, and it has rose gold for their spiral. That's super cute. And I've got another one which is a classy marble notebook, and this time the spiral is in, so it has the duck logo there. It's in gold, really pretty. This time it's kind of like a satiny chiffon material. I'm not even sure what to call it. So this is really nice. Okay, so I love this color. So if you have seen my Instagram, I normally wear a headscarf exactly like this color, and I gave my one away the other day because I've had it for years and I thought that I no longer needed it, and I thought I needed to change my colors, but I always go back to this color, and I'm so happy that they've given me one exactly the one, just like the one that I had previously before. I love it. Like compared to the scarf that I had before, this one is much more lightweight and it's so much more softer to touch. So yeah, I'm super excited that I got this one. Yay! So this one is more like a cotton or polyester kind of fabric that they used. I think it is, yeah. I'm not really sure, I'm really bad with my fabrics, but this is a light pink color. It's super nice. Now it's time to open up the very last box that I got from the Duck group, and I am super excited. It's the last box and I just can't wait to see what I got. So when I open this up, as I can see, there are different boxes from the previous purple boxes. So from what I understand, from what I know, looking at the collections, this is the geometric print that I received. Okay, so this is the premium luxe hijab from Duck, and this is also the KL Duckscarves that is in a baby blue color. So firstly, what I would like to say is that the special thing about the premium luxe Duck scarf is that it's made from 100% silk, and from what I understand, this is a tudung or a scarf that costs about 1,000 ringgit. So I can't believe that they gave this to me and I'm so excited to try it on for the next video. I'm so grateful and happy to be receiving it, but it's definitely worth the price because it is 100% silk. Duck is always made from high quality fabrics as well, which is really good. And okay, so this card is different. So it says Luxe Basic. It says, after 4 years in the business, my journey with Duck has been one of the many discoveries. But most rewarding of all would have to be my newfound respect and love for fabrics. Made with love and crafted by professionals, prepare to fall in love with the finest and purest and luxury scarves. The journey for you and your generations to come begins here. So this scarf is definitely a luxury scarf. This is a really lovely colour. Oh gosh. So it comes out like this. So it's in butterscotch and it looks kind of like a pinky, creamy kind of colour. It looks kind of like rose gold actually. That's so nice. It feels really nice too. It's 100% silk. It has the duck monogram on it, and it has the duck logo on the side. I'm gonna cherish this for my whole life. Thank you so much, Duck. So, unlike all the other totems that they've given me, this is actually a bow wow. So, unlike the other purple boxes that you get, this has a different message and a different illustration as well. It says, beautiful during the day, romantic at night, the familiar lights of Kuala Lumpur brighten up my life. My home, my sanctuary. Who would have thought that one can feel so at peace in a bustling city? I travel the world, yet there's only this place my heart truly belongs to. In my apartment, there is a balcony that sits at to just cozy up on the snowy my cat, or read, or simply to get some quiet time. And it overlooks the city skyline. This was where it all began for Duck, and that is why the Kuala Lumpur scarf will always be my favourite Duck. The city of hope, the city of people, the city of harmony, this is my Kuala Lumpur. Now that you've gotten a Duck too, don't forget to hashtag the KL Duck in your post. Love, D. Okay, so as you can tell, the KL Duck scarf is pretty much the skyline of KL, and that's how it was inspired by. From what I understand, there are different cities now. There is the London one and the Singapore one as well, which is really cool. Okay, so since it's like a different print, there's a different message as well in it. It says, you asked for it and your wish is my command. At Duck, we will always be known for our premium basics, all sorts of fabric and colour choices, but let me spice up your life just a little bit more. Introducing the Prince collection. I love art, as you know, but I only get to explore its wonders for limited edition collections which don't happen very often and are super exclusive. I have so many more ideas that I decided to make a new range, the Prince range. My love for geometry, symmetry and pattern you will see. My love for all shades, all shades and tints of colours you will see. Get ready for our signature patterns because you might get even more ducked. So yeah, they do have really nice patterns and prints available in the Duck collections. There's so many different colours to choose from, so many different prints. They're also pretty, so like luxurious and really nice to wear with any outfit really. And for this one I have the geometric duck scarf. It's nice. It's a shawl as well. After doing this video, I think that from these 3 big boxes and this gift bag, all the Duck group products that have been given to me will probably cost about around 3,000 ringgit. So I am super blessed and super grateful for the gifts that they've given me. In total they gave me 10 scarves. 7 of them were from the Premium Basics collection with all different fabrics and colours, and they also gave me 3 different prints and limited edition scarves, which was the KL scarf, the geometric pattern one, and also the Premium Luxe Basic as well. I'm super grateful for all of these gifts that they received to me. Thank you so much to the Duck group. I'm so excited to try it on my next video. So this video, it was just my unboxing video. Part 2 will be my try on the hijabs video, and also my 3rd video will be me trying on the Duck's Cosmetics makeup line, and I'm super excited for that too. Thank you so much for tuning in this video. Please keep your eye out on my channel or my Instagram when I will be releasing the next video, which will be soon inshallah. I hope to see you guys then. Okay, Assalamualaikum, bye.